In this quick 3-minute tutorial, we're diving into how to analyze support requests to improve your product. Whether you're running a small startup or a large company, understanding your support requests can uncover vital insights that can help you make better product decisions. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to turn customer complaints into valuable product improvements. Let's get right into it. When analyzing support requests, the first thing you want to do is categorize them. Start by grouping requests into specific buckets, whether it's a bug, usability issue, feature request, or a customer service issue. This helps you quickly identify patterns, which is crucial in figuring out where your product needs attention. Next, prioritize these issues. Not every problem needs to be fixed right away, so identify which issues are affecting the most users. Focus on high-impact issues that, if fixed, would improve the user experience significantly. The more requests around a specific issue, the higher the priority. Once you've categorized and prioritized, it's time to dig deeper into the context. Look for trends in the way users describe their problems. Are multiple users facing the same issue in the same part of your product? This could indicate a deeper flaw in that area, and you might need to make some adjustments to improve functionality or ease of use. But it doesn't stop there. Look at how these issues are resolved. Are customers satisfied with the solution provided? If not, it's a sign that your product needs further refinement. This feedback loop will show you if you're just fixing surface-level issues or if there are underlying problems that need more thorough attention. To make all this easier, there's software available that can help you track and analyze these support requests. I've tried several of the most popular ones, and I'm going to give you an exclusive free trial of the software we'll be using in this video. The link is in the description below, just for viewers of this channel. This software helps you analyze trends, categorize requests, and even see customer sentiment all in one place. It's a game changer when it comes to improving your product based on real user feedback. Once you've categorized, prioritized, and analyzed the requests, it's time to act. Use this data to inform your product roadmap. Fix the most critical issues first, and keep a close eye on recurring problems to ensure they don't persist in future releases. This process will not only improve your product, but will also enhance customer satisfaction, making it a win-win. So, what's the key takeaway from today's video? Analyzing support requests is an ongoing process. By categorizing, prioritizing, and digging deep into customer feedback, you can make informed decisions that directly improve your product. Remember, it's all about making your product better, one support request at a time. Quick recap. First, categorize the support requests. Then prioritize based on impact. Dive deep into the context of the issues, track resolutions, and use the insights to shape your product roadmap. Lastly, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial link in the description below for the software we used in this video. It'll help you streamline the process and make better decisions faster. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.